I'm making 8mm Mauser, and before I go too far, because I've already figured out exactly the load it is that I want to do, I've got my cases prepped, I've got them sized, deburred, primed, all that ready to go. But before I start loading everything, I want to, after I seed a couple of bullets, check them. So you'd use your case gauge, you use your ammo checker, whatever you happen to have. However, I do not happen to have an 8mm Mauser case gauge or an 8mm Mauser ammo checker, but I do. We're gonna get to that in just a moment. Stand by one. So I want to make a few dummy rounds, and I've already made up a few here, but just to review how I set up the seating die, because this is RCBS. I've got a sized casing, and then I put the dead primer back into it because I want to use it as like a snap cap, sort of. So the way I set up my seating die for RCBS, empty size casing in the shell holder, run it all the way up, and I'm going to screw down the die until it stops. Now it's not stopping on the shell holder, it's stopping on the mouth of the casing. So I find the mouth, I back it up a little bit because I do not want to crush the casing when I seat the bullets. Now the cartridge overall length that the book said was 2.975. 8mm Mauser is a German cartridge, so the OAL I'm going with is 2.999. So let me stick a bullet on there. We're going to run that up. I'm going to seat one more. And if you like, you can take a Sharpie. I have a black Sharpie that I use to color in the dummy round, and that just makes it easier to identify as a dummy round, but also flip it over, you see a dead primer, it's not going to go anywhere, but that's how I personally do it. So I've got some dummy rounds here, and again, I don't have that case gauge or ammo checker, but I do. The best case gauge or ammo checker in the whole world is the rifle that the ammunition is going through. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the dummy rounds, put them into the magazine, and I'm going to cycle the gun the way I would use the gun. And now you know, before you make 500, what's going to happen. So drop a couple in the mag here. You can do a full mag. Don't necessarily need to do that for demonstration, but you get the idea. Now, we're going to close the bolt. Locks up just fine, fires, they eject beautifully. Happy, happy, happy. Now I can go ahead and assemble 500 of them because I'm reassured that they're actually going to work in the gun. Happy trails.